G'day, my name's Tomo and welcome back to another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode we are talking about the rocker cover gaskets available from Minisport. So here we have a silicone gasket and just here we also have a cork gasket. Now what is the difference? Well, one's cork, one's silicone. Yes, that is pretty observant. But the main difference is a cork gasket will be a standard replacement gasket that comes in a standard VRS kit, for instance, or a standard replacement part. If you wanted to use an upgraded part and you're removing the rocker cover on a regular basis because you might be doing tappet adjustments, you might be doing some sort of cylinder head work in which you need to remove it on and off several times, the upgraded one is the silicone part. Now this is designed to be removed on and off several times, whereas the cork gasket will need to be replaced generally every 1 or 2 times you remove the rocker cover, depending how often you're having it off. So if you're doing regular maintenance on it, or you're just doing some sort of track event that enables you to do adjustments almost regularly, the silicone one is the one that you need. Now they are available for both 11 and 9 stud heads, so depending on what you need, make sure you get the right one. They are a couple of dollars difference between the two, so make sure you check it out and have a look and see which one suits you and choose the right one accordingly. Check out the full range at minisport.com.au and we'll see you again on another episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.